We called it Paradise when we first came here. We hoped that's what we'd found, but that was before.
You've been staring at this girl for the past 8 months, so you come up with this idiot scheme to drag her out to the middle of nowhere in the hope she's gonna somehow succumb to your charms?
I think you like this girl, huh?
Hi guys.
Looks like some kind of ghost town.
This place is amazing, Kyle. Anyone want a drink?
Did you find something?
Journal. We called it Paradise when we first came here. This thing must be over like 100 years old.
You guys, I just saw a wolf.
A wolf?
Do you even know the difference between a wolf and a coyote?
According to this, in 4 months, the population of the town went from almost 150 people down to 30.
No, let me go! Let me go! Let me go!
They were being attacked by wolves. We're in their lair.
I don't want to die out here.
I'm not gonna let that happen to you.